Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to pair rocking with really fast explosive movements like Olympic weightlifting or maybe kettlebell swings. But rocking is, well, this is a miracle movement. It does so many good things, and it pairs well with all movements. So if you're training in a gym or in your garage or wherever you train, if you wanted to like say do squats or do pull-ups or overhead presses, rocking is a movement that you could do in between your sets that just makes your training movements better. Like you can clean up a set of squats really good by rocking in between sets. So it allows you to move better, more efficiently, and ultimately safer. But it also allows you to tap into your strength or find and express your strength better. But you can also use rocking to enhance your performance in a different way. And I know what I just said ultimately means that rocking can enhance your performance. But what if you use rocking to mimic the performance that you were trying to enhance? Well, that's an interesting question, Tim. Yes, it is. So what I'm talking about is Olympic weightlifting is very fast and explosive. So why not make rocking fairly fast and explosive itself? So if this is normal rocking, what if we use speed to be fast and explosive, so that we could prime the pump, so to speak, to prepare our body to be fast and explosive, to catch ourselves in the bottom of an overhead squat or overhead snatch or one of those overhead Olympic weightlifting moves. But you see what I'm saying? So we can use speed inside of rocking to prime the pump to get the body used to being fast and explosive. And again, rocking is so wonderful because it activates your vestibular system and it tells your brain where all your joints are so that everything in your body knows how to move together as one whole piece. So why not do that in between something that's very demanding and straining and takes a toll on your nervous system? Why not do that in between sets of Olympic weightlifting to really make sure that your next set is clean, crisp, and just fluid and efficient? Anyway, that's my thought for the day. If you do engage in Olympic weightlifting or fast movements like swings, kettlebell swings, or even sprinting, try fast rocking, explosive rocking in between sets. And again, now you can be fast on both ends. Like I can jump forward, or I can jump back and drop back and catch myself. And that one in particular, I think, is going to be great for your Olympic weightlifting sprints or kettlebell swings. The one going forward, jumping forward, well, that's tremendous on really building strong and dynamic shoulders that maybe have to be explosive for, say, kettlebell jerks or overhead barbell jerks. Anyway, I'm sorry I'm rambling, but I think you're picking up what I'm putting down. Give this a shot if you do explosive weightlifting or explosive anything. And if you try it, please give me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.